Every episode of Wham Bam Dashcam features 20 dashcam videos you won't find anywhere else, because every one comes to us directly from our fans. From wild wrecks to crazy close calls, we've got it all, so buckle up. Panda and Penguin were on their way to work one morning. We're seeing Panda's view from his Toyota RAV4, and his wife Penguin was driving the Prius just ahead of him. Shortly after Panda left the highway to head to his job, he watched an SUV hit a patch of black ice before spinning out of control and colliding with the side of an oncoming semi-truck. The front end of the white SUV was obliterated by the impact with the semi's trailer. Incredibly, no other vehicles were damaged, not even another SUV whose driver had to hop the curb to avoid getting hit. In addition to Panda, 3 other drivers stopped to render aid. The trucker let the driver of the white SUV sit in his truck to stay warm until first responders arrived. Thankfully, she wasn't seriously injured. Panda told us he provided a statement to the police as well as a copy of his dashcam footage. Sydney was in a special U-turn lane waiting for an opening in highway traffic when she was clipped by an SUV that seemed to appear out of nowhere. If we go back to the moments before the collision and watch the footage from Sydney's rear dashcam, we see that the SUV had been driving down the wrong side of the highway for a while before entering the median and losing control. Immediately following the collision, a law enforcement vehicle in the oncoming lanes of the highway stopped the wrong-way driver. Sydney now has the unenviable task of dealing with a complicated insurance claim. Her dashcam footage should help uncomplicate the details of what happened, but for now, she doesn't know how much repairs will cost. If you need a dashcam, be sure to grab your discount code from the description below. This submitter watched a pickup driver instantly regret his decision to run a red light. If we watch that back, we can see that the cop car didn't pull up until after the pickup driver had already begun breaking the law. He thought he could get away with turning early, but instead, he got a taste of instant justice. Steven was on his way to work in his Ford F-150 Lightning when a driver behind him swerved to avoid rear-ending him. When the next driver did the same, they accidentally clipped a pickup truck in the neighboring lane. The pickup was sent out of control, spinning before slamming into a stopped car a few vehicles ahead of Steven. That car was shoved forward into another one, bringing the count of involved vehicles up to at least 4. Incredibly, Steven's truck wasn't one of the vehicles that was hit. He provided his dashcam footage to the police, and he told us nobody was seriously injured in the collision. This submitter had left a bag of potting soil over his water meter to protect it from freezing temperatures, something he said is common in his neighborhood. Watch what happened to it just 2 hours later. Some guy our submitter doesn't recognize pulled up in what looks like a red Jeep SUV of some kind, loaded the bag of soil into the back, and drove off. He literally stole dirt. Sadly, the SUV's license plate number can't be read in the footage captured by our submitter's dashcam that was mounted in his Chevy Equinox parked in the driveway. If you know who the guy is, let us know and we'll pass it along. This submitter was headed home after shopping when an oncoming driver began overtaking another vehicle, failing to yield and giving our submitter no choice but to swerve off the road to avoid a head-on collision.
Oh my...
After our submitter bailed into the ditch, her engine died and the vehicle was disabled. The driver who'd caused the incident sped off, leaving our submitter and her passengers to wait for a tow truck. Even though she made a police report, she said there haven't been any updates. Her Kia Optima was inspected by a mechanic, and thankfully there wasn't any major damage. Iceman was headed home from a birthday party when he heard, then saw, an Arizona Highway Patrol trooper as they both approached the same intersection. Iceman did exactly what he was supposed to and yielded to the trooper. Sadly, the driver behind Iceman wasn't paying attention. When she finally noticed Iceman had stopped, she tried to swerve around him, but she wasn't able to avoid a collision. Both Iceman and the other driver stopped and exchanged insurance information. Iceman made a claim with the other driver's insurance provider, and they paid $2,000 to fix his Toyota Corolla. Thankfully, nobody was hurt. He also told us he installed the dashcam we recommend just 27 days before this happened, and already it's paid for itself. Noel Protogen was working as a rideshare driver and had a passenger in his Ford C-Max when another driver passed him illegally. The other car slammed into another driver when they turned into the turn lane properly. The impact pushed that car into a Dodge Charger, making this a 3-vehicle collision. Noel Protogen stopped to check on the involved parties and confirmed that nobody was hurt. After dropping off his passenger, he came back and gave a statement to the responding police. He wanted to shout out his father unit, and he told us they watch all the Wham Bam Dashcam, Tesla Cam, and Security Cam episodes every week. Thanks for being a loyal fan and subscriber, Noel Protogen. This emitter passed a pickup truck on an Oregon highway, and moments later, the truck veered into the median barrier for no apparent reason. The pickup driver appeared to maintain control before slowing down and pulling over on the shoulder. Thankfully, while the pickup's tire appeared to climb the barrier, it doesn't look like any damage was done to the truck itself. Atka had been following a large truck for a while when a driver a ways behind him got impatient and decided to floor it around the line of traffic at the exact moment when Atka began a left turn. The speeding driver swerved around Atka at extremely high speed, barely avoiding what would have been a very serious collision. Atka wanted to remind our viewers to stay safe on the road and always expect the unexpected. A milker was on his way to pick up his brother when he was T-boned by a driver who rolled through a stop sign. Immediately after the collision, the other driver fled the scene. A milker called the police and made a report, then filed an insurance claim. Thankfully, he wasn't injured by the impact. Sadly, since fixing his Toyota Corolla would have cost over $10,000, a milker's insurance provider decided to total it instead. He's now waiting for the payout while working on releasing his band's first single on Spotify. If you want to show him some love, go look up Last Dream by Astra Mortis. For now, let's get back to the show. This emitter was taking a passenger to work when he spotted a Tesla behaving badly just ahead of him in a turn lane.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
The impatient Tesla driver went into the oncoming lanes to go around the Civic before speeding off down the road. At this point, he's just asking to get Honda bumped. Our submitter told us he's subscribed to Wham Bam Dashcam, Tesla Cam, and Security Cam and watches them all every week. Thanks, human shielding, whatever that is. Alex was on her way to work when she started using the center turn lane to get around traffic. That ended up not being the best decision when a Jeep driver exited a parking lot and wasn't expecting Alex to be there. Both drivers pulled into a parking lot and called 911. Police found that both drivers shared responsibility for the collision and chose not to cite either one. Alex told us she doesn't know what repairing her GMC Terrain will cost. Keller is a cyclist who has a 360 camera mounted to his helmet while he rides his e-bike. Traffic had backed up thanks to a power outage that had knocked out all the traffic lights, but thankfully, Keller had a marked bike lane to use. Evidently, the driver of a Honda SUV thought the bike lane, clearly marked with signs and road markings, was a special VIP lane that he could use to skip traffic, and he almost knocked Keller off his bike as he was riding by. Keller wanted to remind our viewers that bike lanes are not personal express lanes. They're there so that cyclists don't get in the way of vehicles, so if you're in a vehicle, return the courtesy and don't get in the way of bicycles. This submitter was driving a Ram 4500 tow truck when a BMW driver suddenly began an illegal U-turn across his lane, and he didn't have time to react before T-boning it. I guess the BMW driver didn't see the clear no U-turn sign before they turned in front of our submitter's tow truck. The impact shattered the back window and did plenty of other damage to both vehicles. Our submitter doesn't yet know how much fixing his tow truck or the BMW will cost. Thankfully, nobody was severely injured in the collision. Justin was on his way home from college when he ran over an old tire tread that had been left in the road. Justin told us he'd been checking his blind spot while merging right when he failed to notice the tread in the road. The impact damaged the front bumper cover of his Toyota Camry. He didn't tell us much more than that, but hopefully fixing the damage to his Camry won't be too expensive. Sean sent us this video from last winter in hopes that it may inspire other drivers to be more careful while driving on snowy roads. Watch what happened when he overcorrected after taking a corner too fast for conditions. After spinning into a ditch, Sean was unable to get his car out on his own. It took 2 hours for roadside assistance to reach his location, but once they pulled him out, he was able to continue home without incident. He told us his Toyota Matrix only had minor body damage, which he chose not to fix since the car was almost 20 years old. Sean is actually one of our Patreon supporters, so come say hi to him in our Discord server. Corey was on his way to work when he crested a hill only to find a semi-truck barreling toward him in his own lane. The trucker had crossed double yellow lines to pass a horse-drawn carriage being driven on the shoulder, and Corey was nearly forced off the road to avoid a head-on collision. No matter how impatient you may be, never risk yourself and others by passing over double yellow lines. To put it bluntly, this trucker's illegal pass nearly cost Corey his life. Chris had just picked up his coworker Kember and was about to head home when his Buick Regal lost traction on the wet road surface. After waiting for traffic to pass, Chris pulled over and checked for damage to his car. He didn't tell us what repairs cost, but he did send us these photos of the damage. Comment below and let us know what you think it will cost to fix. Mark sent us this dashcam footage of a street performer providing some free entertainment while drivers waited at a traffic light. His impressive juggling skills were rewarded when several drivers gave him money before continuing after the light turned green. Mark wanted to shout out his wife of 25 years, Adriana, who watches our videos with him. If you'd like more free entertainment, reward us before continuing by watching this episode that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Or watch our newest episode here. Either way, we hope you'll subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.
Wham, bam, we got a Patreon man. Please support the show.